We're introducing 3 pads. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is go ahead and go to kicks. And by the way, this is on the kit that's on the website, so make sure you download that. And we're going to go ahead and choose my favorite, which is the forehead kick. It just has that thump to it. Next, we're going to go to the snares and claps. And we're going to go to bed wet. And I'm going to put that on pad 2. My kick will be on pad 1, snare is usually going to be on pad 2, and hi-hat's usually going to be on pad 3. Pad 3, I'm going to choose hop out of my hi-hats folder. And today's loop. We're going to choose Sweet Nothing, and I'm going to put that on pad 5. So in my previous lessons, I told you about the pinchers on how to cue the kick drum with the loop at the same time. So if you don't really know what I'm talking about, refer back to that. So now that we have all that laid out, we're going to get into a quick exercise. We're just going to jump right into it, all right? Follow along. Follow along with your boy. I got you. Ready? The first one. It's about to turn up. I hope you guys are following along with that. It's about to be that nasty buildup. So remember the pinchers to cue the kick, and that snare with my right hand along with the hi-hats. We're about to get a little intricate. Right there, you didn't have to add the double bass. If you're feeling fancy, add that double bass. Naturally, that double bass, it comes to me, it's gonna naturally come to you too as well. Let's run it back again, and I'll try to eliminate the double bass. So try to follow along. So let's go ahead and move to the next one. With that one, I definitely want you to practice that one. This is for my more advanced students. Don't feel like you're not going to get there. You're definitely going to get there. It just takes time and practice. Let's get it. Practice, practice, practice. That's going to be my main thing. I'm going to keep saying. Practice that one. To some, that might be, I don't know if that's going to be too easy, because I'm telling you, that roll, it's a whole different thing. But once you get it, you'll be the master of it. So practice that, and I'll see you on the next lesson.